June 12, 2014, I went on a trip to Tosho-gu Shrine. The day was beautiful, although a bit windy, but it's normal in Sendai City. I decided to ride by Miyaginohara Sports Park, where are located two large sports stadiums, baseball and football one. Oh. I scared the old lady. Bad Bobby. Baseball stadium you see now on the left. The football stadium is a bit tucked away and still you cannot see it. It seems to me that here it was a small earthquake, but on a bike it's hard to tell. I'm driving into an area of Miyaginohara Sports Park. There is always someone, somewhere is building something, so the view on the left not surprising me so much. It's Friday, and something telling me that tomorrow there will be a baseball match here. And here, in front of me, you can see the football stadium. It is slightly smaller than a baseball stadium, but this is not surprising me, because in Japan baseball is much popular than football. But it's time for me. Tosho-gu Shrine is waiting. Have I already said that the wind was blowing? Hence, I choose the right music with the significant title, Leaf on the Wind. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that was also pleasure for you. If you want to see more movies from Japan with me, don't forget to subscribe my channel.